Hi, this is Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. I appreciate your tuning in. I want to talk today about a patient of mine named Scott. He, like a lot of my patients, is healthy. He's active. He takes care of himself. He is in his late 60s. He was concerned about his hair loss, kind of a Norwood 6. Had some issues with skin cancer. Actually, he's a fair skinned guy, and he had a squamous cell carcinoma, and he had mohs surgery. So he had some scarring that he was self-conscious about. Because Scott has relatively fine hair, a second procedure was in order, and the density is really great. I mean, actually, he looks really good. What he finds most gratifying is that people look him in the eye rather than look over the top of his bald head. He feels better. He feels it makes him look younger. He's healed beautifully. His skin cancer surgery is pretty well obscured, although we didn't cover it completely with the hair transplant. The hair transplant looks very natural. And overall, he's doing great. So thanks so much for tuning in. It's Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut.